All right, health enthusiasts, are you ready to dive into some surprising health revelations? Let's get right into it. We're about to uncover some amazing facts about a common spice that you probably have sitting in your pantry right now. Today, I'm spilling the cinnamon tea on 5 newly revealed health benefits you need to know. These aren't your run-of-the-mill health tips. We're talking about cutting-edge research and surprising discoveries. Forget what you thought you knew. There's more to this spice than meets the eye. Get ready to have your perceptions of this everyday ingredient completely transformed. First up, cinnamon can supercharge your brain. Recent studies show that compounds in cinnamon may actually boost cognitive processing and memory. Yeah, a sprinkle on your oats could mean sharper recall and quicker thinking. It's like a natural nootropic hiding in plain sight. Not just great taste. Who knew that enhancing your brain power could be as simple as adding a dash of cinnamon to your morning routine? Second, cinnamon has a secret weapon against inflammation. This is crucial because chronic inflammation is linked to so many health issues. While you probably know it's loaded with antioxidants, scientists have uncovered specific compounds that target inflammation on a cellular level. It's like having a tiny army of inflammation fighters working inside your body. Translation? Regular cinnamon might help calm post-workout soreness or that nagging joint pain. So next time you're feeling achy, consider reaching for the cinnamon instead of just painkillers. Third, let's talk about blood sugar. This one's big. New research suggests that cinnamon doesn't just help regulate blood sugar, it might improve your body's insulin sensitivity over time. This is especially important for those concerned about diabetes or metabolic syndrome. So if you're watching carbs or mindful of metabolic health, a dash of cinnamon could be your unsung hero. It's a simple addition that could make a significant difference in the long run. Number 4, and this one blew my mind. Cinnamon may support gut health in ways we're only starting to understand. The gut microbiome is a complex ecosystem, and cinnamon might just be a key player in maintaining its balance. Some recent studies show it can encourage the growth of beneficial bacteria, acting almost like a prebiotic. This is huge news for anyone looking to improve their digestive health naturally. That means it could help keep your digestion smooth and your microbiome balanced. A happy gut means a happier, healthier you. And finally, the wild card, cinnamon's potential for improving oral health. Who would have thought that cinnamon could be good for more than just your taste buds? Researchers found that its natural oils can fight certain bacteria in your mouth, reducing bad breath and even protecting your teeth between brushing. It's not a replacement for your toothbrush, but it's a fantastic addition to your oral hygiene routine, all from a spice you probably already have in your kitchen. It's amazing how much potential is packed into this humble spice. But before you go dumping cinnamon on everything, here's your quick safety check. Stick to small, food-based amounts. About half a teaspoon a day is plenty for most adults. Moderation is key when it comes to reaping the benefits of cinnamon. Too much, especially of the cassia variety, can cause liver issues or interact with medications. It's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to your health. If in doubt, ask your doctor. They can provide personalized advice based on your individual health needs. So next time you reach for a sweet spice, remember, cinnamon isn't just delicious. It's a powerhouse for your mind, muscles, metabolism, gut, and even your smile. It's a holistic health booster hiding in your spice rack. Who knew something so simple could be so powerful? It just goes to show that sometimes the most effective solutions are the ones that are right under our noses. If you found these facts just as game-changing as I did, hit subscribe, and let's keep unlocking the secrets to a healthier you, one little known benefit at a time. Because who knows what other amazing health secrets are waiting to be discovered in the most unexpected